This is how you add an Instagram instant. So if you open your Instagram like this and you click on the messages icon, which is usually at the center, this one, and you come to your messages, you will notice there's now a small sort of button which is on your right side, this one. So it's just this small add button, and you can click on it and it will give you this screen, new instant. Even in the case where you do not see this button, sometimes it might be the case that it's hidden like this. You can simply swipe like that and it will appear. So you just click, and when you click, you then say capture, and it's already instant. You can see there's this option here which says friends or close friends. So you can choose who to send to and at what time, just like you can do on your Instagram story. So in this case, the new instant that I had captured is already in my archives. It's this one. So you can clearly see it there. And you can toggle also the camera here to just show different screens as well. So when you capture your instant, you can quickly undo if you want to undo that instant like this, and it will say unshared, but that button will only appear for a small period of time, just a few seconds, and then it will be saved in your archives. So in your archives, you can just go here, you can click on it, you can say save to camera roll, or you can say delete instant. Then you just delete, and once it's deleted, there will be no instance there. In the case that someone has shared a new instant, you'll see a small icon of their profile picture here. If it's two or more people, you see just random icons of the people who have shared instants under your inbox. And then if you just want to see that instant, you just swipe out like this, and it will show you the instant. You can react to that instant or reply to that instant as well. And the moment you close this, you will not see that again. So instant in the sense that it's instant and you just see it view once and you can't see it again. If you want to turn off instants on Instagram and you do not want to see them in your inbox, you just do this. You click on your profile, click on the menu icon here. It will open settings, scroll down, look for an option called content preferences. There's this option, hide instance in inbox. When this is on, you won't see any new instance in your inbox. You just toggle this on, and this will help you not to see any instance in your inbox. This will also work in reverse. If you want to see instance in your inbox, but you do not see them, it's either one of these two things. Number one, it's either Instagram hasn't given you access yet. Number two, it's either this is toggled on. So you just check in your content preferences settings and you just check if this is toggled on, you just toggle it off, and then you can be able to see instants in your inbox. There's also a new application called Instants created by Instagram, which you can find on your App Store. And if you just open it, it will give you pretty much the same screen as in Instagram, but with better control. And you can see all your instants here. So you log in with your Instagram account and it will just sync everything that happens there to this place. And it also has menu items just like this. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe.